In the heart of the Pacific, on the vibrant island of Motunui, lived Moana, a spirited young girl with an unquenchable curiosity about the ocean. Though forbidden by her overprotective father to venture beyond the reef, Moana felt an inescapable pull towards the sea. Being chosen by the ocean itself, she was entrusted with a crucial task to restore the heart of Te Fiti, the mother island from which life once flourished. The ocean, anthropomorphic and friendly, gently pushed Moana towards her destiny, presenting her with the sacred heart stone whenever she faltered. Beside her, always clucking and pecking, was the comical Hei Hei, a rooster who was oblivious to the dangers yet provided unexpected loyalty. Moana's journey was not one to be tackled alone. She was joined by the mighty demigod, Maui. Once a hero of humans, Maui was a colossal figure with an ego to match his muscular frame. Together, they made an odd pair, balancing the fearlessness of Moana with the bravado and humor of Maui. Their quest across the ocean was fraught with challenges. Seething coconut pirates called Kakamora tried to steal the Heartstone, their attack a chaotic storm of tiny but fierce chaos. Yet, Moana's wit and Maui's powerful fishhook ensured their escape, albeit leaving them drenched and exhausted. One of their most daunting trials was facing Tamatoa, a gargantuan, treasure-hoarding crab lurking in the depths. Seeking Maui's magical fishhook, Tamatoa delighted in his glittering possessions, but through clever distraction and teamwork, Moana and Maui retrieved the hook and narrowly escaped. As they sailed deeper into the vast ocean, guided by the stars and Moana's fierce determination, the shadows of self-doubt occasionally loomed. However, the ocean's gentle nudges reminded her of her gift and destiny as a wayfinder. Finally, reaching the ravaged island of Te Fiti, they confronted the fiery demon Te Ka. In a moment of revelation and courage, Moana realized the true identity of Te Ka as the heartless Te Fiti.